So Skoolie is kicking off. We're doing a little bit of art skis. Yes, I'm not that proficient with art, but yeah, hoping I can get a tattoo or a few while I'm out here because there's so much that I want to do. I'm gonna be honest. So
just over there. They're leaving today.
I thought I was gonna leave. First off, because that's not the only reason, but my hair is so oily. I have not washed my hair, at least my hair, I think like 9 days.
I meant to buy tennis balls, but then I checked out and it was Cashapp.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of feeling like, oops, I'm feeling like I thought that I knew what I was gonna do. Like I was like, I'm gonna move and I'm gonna get out of here. I'm not gonna stay for Skoolie this year because I really just thought that I was supposed to just get ready for Tucson. But I think I am gonna stay here. I mean, this like nomadic way of living is really weird because anytime you make plans, they don't go through. You know? What's up, dude? I didn't. I'm doing a vid. Do you want to show us your bus?
Oh, it's messy as hell right now. I'd have to clean it.
So is my life. Hello.
Why do you think my butt looks like that?
That's because all these degenerates, like all of us, we've been on it. You know? But yeah, I don't know. My hair is probably just in shambles. I was gonna go get a shower today up at Planet Fitness. Yeah. Wait, can we do this? Let's go. You need to tell people what you were doing at Skoolie this year.
What am I doing?
Yeah, having people come paint the bus. Paint the inside of the bus. Can we just go take a quick tour?
Oh no, I would have to. Really,
oh my god. We're gonna come back to this. We'll come back to it, dude.
That's why I'm out here. In fact, I was thinking about all these kids hanging out with my daughter at night.
And people are pulling in like every 5 minutes or so. This thing is getting packed. I mean, you can't see it, but look.
There's all the idea of actually opening like a Skooliepalooza daycare. Yeah, night care for kids.
Skooliepalooza daycare.
Right. What's that worth to a parent? I need
Okay, so my friend has this up. What's this? Needs wire wrappers, rugs, solar panels, seeds, record player or needle. And what has he got? He has fire agates. You guys have not seen anything like this. Look at this. You see this? Yeah, you guys need to come out.
Oh my god!
I was showing what you got and that you have the most amazing selection of fire agate. Oh! Okay, here we go. I'm gonna get a little in here on these. Look at these pieces. You guys come through. These are some pretty nar.
Hey, come on. Nice whips.
Oh yeah, look at this thing.
Antique.
Pre-Skoolie. Hello. Okay, I had a little bit of a moment last night and I actually did delete a bunch of these people. So I kind of needed to re-add them, you know, because I was just like, screw everybody. And then I did like 30 people and I was like, this is so wrong. Okay, I love these people, you guys. I love these people. Okay, we're gonna see what's going on in here.
Hi.
So quick to just tattoos. What are you getting tattooed?
He drew it somewhere here. Come on. It's on my leg.
Ooh, I'm excited.
What do you want for tattoos? Depends on the tattoo.
What you got for barter, bruh?
I just want like a small scarab, like this big.
I didn't even want
Ooh.
this fucking tattoo.
I've only had one. Just a small scarab. And it wasn't bad, but the spot it was at was a lot
Yeah,
meatier.
everyone loves Maladog.
This one
Everyone
might
loves
not
you. You have more
dog out
views than anything.
Hey man.
Why are you
That
pushing
shit
me
fucking
when
hurt.
you said dog out and pushed me aside, bro?
But I have a feeling
Guys, look, this is, I don't have a drawing skill.
I burned my leg.
It's supposed to be a face. Uh-oh, he's
You
turning
gotta
us
play
off.
We Got the Funk. as the first
We
song.
got the funk.
All right, what do you think about
Skoolie.
positioning?
Who's got the
Palooza.
funk?
We got the funk.
We got the funk.
And the guy that did my other one, he
Who's got
said,
the funk?